I came to Sweden when I was 19 years old. I felt I want to do business, to buy and sell. I know what to do with my life now. I want to buy and sell. I was 20 years old and I just really felt it in all my body. When I was coming back from Lebanon, a friend of mine gave me 5 watches and he said, you know what, take these 5 watches, see if you can sell them. And I sold 2 watches for 50 euro each. And I decided at that moment, I'm going to be the king of watches in this country. And yeah, eventually I became. When I was selling in the free market, I decided already then my next car would be a Rolls-Royce. It took me 35 years to achieve that dream, really. I wanted to buy a bespoke Phantom. My theme is flowers and roses, and I wanted to have it everywhere. So at the end, we succeeded to make flowers everywhere in the car, in the doors, in the ceiling, and the blue color from the outside was chosen from my daughter Magnolia. She helped me to pick up that color, and I loved it. It became an amazing piece of art, and I will never, never, never sell this car.